Hello friends, welcome to ElectroPixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome to ElectroPixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch assembled LED TV. The fault sound okay, no picture due to backlight fault here. While checking with the LED checker we noted that among this two total backlight strips only one is working, so here to avoid future repetition in same fault here we are going to replace the entire backlights with new one. So let's start the repair. These are the two new backlights here. Now let's install this backlights. Finally here we fixed these backlights. Now let's put the diffuser sheets, panel, frame, panel, everything back to the TV. Finally here we fixed the panel, frame and panel. Now let's connect all sockets, LVDS cables, everything back to TV. See, now all sockets are connected. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now picture comes and the TV is repaired successfully. So that's it. Hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.